going to make the Jeremiah for you. This is a very simple drink with ice in a glass. Got some cream to cocoa. Calls for a third. If you want to measure a third, feel free. I'm just going to go ahead and pour an equal ounce. Then we got some cream to mint, equal measurements. We're still going to go an ounce on that. We're also going to pour equal of Kahlua, a coffee liqueur. This is a very nice liqueur at the end of the evening. Going to make sure everything gets all mixed thoroughly. Then we're going to add a little bit of milk. And we're going to shake thoroughly some more to make sure everything's all together. Break the seal on your shaker. Just a little more frothier than you like. Don't cheat yourself on liquor. Stop the ice. And what we have here, Jeremiah. Cheers.